Sports and Swimwear at Curlie. Chapter 1. Sportswear and Swimwear for Sale. Many categories of athletic clothing websites at curlie.org/shopping/clothing. Subcategories: Professional and Collegiate, Sport and Safety Eyewear, Baseball, Basketball, Bodybuilding, Cheerleading, Cricket, Cycling, Dance, Dresssuits and Wetsuits, Equestrian, Fishing, Fitness, Golf, Gymnastics, Hunting, Ice Hockey, Martial Arts, Motorcycling, Outdoor, Paintball, Rugby, Running, Scuba Diving, Skateboarding, Skating, Skiing, Soccer, Tennis, Triathlon. Sportswear websites: ActivelyYours.com, Actively Yours, activewear and shoes for men and women. Adidas.com/us, Adidas, featuring apparel, as well as shoes designed for basketball, running, soccer and tennis. Angelfire.com/me3/Soul Sportswear, Soul Sportswear, Canadian-made technical outerwear, sportswear. AWESOME-sports.com, Awesome Sports, specialize in custom socks, custom uniforms, and stock sports apparel for sports teams. Ballbag.com, Ballbag.com, Inc. CRASH-PADS.com, Crash Pads, protective gear for all sports. Specialize in lightweight, non-restrictive padding, 6 sizes to cover a wide range of people. Crazywear.com, California Crazywear, offers styles for men and women, baggies, shorts, mesh athletic pants, yoga outfits, bodybuilding and fitness sportswear. Crazyrider.com, Crazy Rider, sells logo t-shirts, stickers, and hats. CustomJersey.com, Custom Jersey, specializing in outfitting teams, leagues, and schools. Custom graphics, lettering, and numbering. Daviswear.de, Daviswear, sportswear for both men and women, as well as underwear for men. Germany. Dragonfish.co.nz, Dragonfish clothing, endurance sports clothing for cycling, swimming, and running. New Zealand. Extremeracing.co.uk, extreme racing, one-piece undersuit designed for winter warmth and summer cooling. Fanatics.com, Fanatics, Inc. GHSports.com, GH Sports, running, cycling, fitness, hiking, triathlon and equestrian gear. GKElite.com, GK, features gymnastics, skating, cheerleading, dance, running and warm-up apparel. Special orders are welcome. GoBrothers.com, GoBrothers.com, offering athletic shoes, team uniforms, apparel, and a variety of gear for men and women. GoneLogo.com, GoneLogo, compression wear and support products. GramICCI.com, Gramici, makes and sells clothes for outdoor sports. JJBSports.com, JJB Sports, retailer of sportswear, equipment, and footwear. UK. JustSweatshirts.com, JustSweatshirts.com, large collection of sweatshirts for men and women. KellysSports.com, Kelly's Sports, provides jerseys, uniforms, and equipment such as protective gear. Lululemon.com, Lululemon Athletica, features yoga, dancing and running tops and bottoms for men and women. Includes retail locations, investor and media information and wholesale information. MandemDirect.com, M&M Direct, retailer of name brand sports apparel for men, women, and children. UK. MelroseBay.com, Melrose Bay, custom-made swimwear, costumes, gloves, aerobic wear, skirts, garters and accessories. Mondor.com, Mondor manufacturer, sport, fitness, yoga, and dance apparel. NewBalance.com, New Balance, official site offering athletic shoes, training apparel, and accessories. Nike.com, Nike, apparel, shoes, and accessories. Pitbullclothing.com, Pitbull gymwear, gym, and sports apparel for men and women. Plasticclothing.com, plastic clothing, sports, active and beachwear for men and women. Proline-sports.co.uk, Proline Sports, manufacturer of apparel, sportswear, and protective wear for water sports, snow sports, extreme sports and contact sports. UK. Q-sport.com, Q-Sport, volleyball and sports t-shirts, long-sleeve t-shirts, hooded sweatshirts mostly volleyball related. Quicksilver.com, Quicksilver provides clothing and accessories for men and children. Surf shop and snow gear. Reebok.com, Reebok, official site offering apparel, shoes, and sports-related products. RiverCitySports.com, River City Sports, online distributor of jerseys, clothing, glassware, and other memorabilia for teams in the NHL, IHL, AL, as well as international teams. RussellAthletic.com, Russell Athletic, offers athletic apparel and sportswear for men, women, and youth. Features DRI power technology which helps keep the athlete's skin drier. CJaneRun.com, CJane Run Sports, designed to address the needs of the active woman, selling performance-oriented clothing, shoes, and accessories for sport and lifestyle. Shop.cbssports.com, CBS Sports, sports team-themed apparel. SmackSportswear.com, Smack Sportswear, beachwear, and shorts for men and women. SouthwestBowl.com, Southwest Bowling apparel, bowling, and golf apparel. SpandexMan.com, Spandexman, spandex clothing for men. SpiritSportswear.com, North Bay Sportswear, offering t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets, screen printing, embroidery, sports uniforms. Esportees.com, Sportees activewear, manufacturer of custom clothing. Choose styles, colors, and fabrics. Sportsandstyle.com, Sports and Style Inc. Sportsbasement.com, Sports Basement, brand name performance sports apparel and gear. Starstruck.com, Starstruck, offering apparel, caps and themed merchandise. Sweatitout.com, Sweat It Out, performance wear made with Colmax and Lycra fabrics. Sweatshirtsusa.com, Sweatshirts USA, offers custom imprinted and embroidered sportswear items. tmichael.com, T. Michael Pro Shop, offering workout apparel, fitness gear, and active wear. Includes a gym locator. UnderArmour.com, Under Armour, official site. Performance apparel, footwear, outerwear, underwear, and accessories. VarsityJackets.net, VarsityJackets.net offers varsity, college, military, and custom embroidered lettered jackets. Webhome.idirect.com/showdown, Showdown Sports, sportswear, team jerseys, shoes, and accessories for soccer enthusiasts. Canada. RightWaySportswear.com, Rightway Sports, specializing in team and NHL embroidered sportswear and accessories. WrigleyvilleSports.com, Wrigleyville Sports, Chicago Cubs, Bears, Blackhawks, Bulls and White Sox jerseys and other apparel. Zenza.com, Zenza Performance Apparel, seamless performance compression wear made of microfiber, for sports or tactical wear. Swimwear clothing websites. AKSwimwear.com, A&K Swimwear, offers bikinis, one-piece, swimsuits and tankini for women. AllSarongs.com, All Sarongs, provides a large variety of sarongs. Beachfashionshop.com/n, beachfashionshop.com, offering women's and men designer swimwear and accessories. Beachwearillustrated.com, Lonnie Kai beachwear, swimwear, and accessories. Mix and match top and bottom sizes. BerryDog.com, BerryDog bikinis, designer of bikinis and one-piece swimsuits for women. Includes photos. Brigitte.com, Brigitwear, sexy designer swimwear for man and woman specializing in thong, sheer, topless and G-string swimsuits. CelebrityOnAir.com, Celebrity on Air, the official swimsuit of the MRS America pageant, designed by Carol Weir. eCostinger.com, eCostinger, supplier of certified sun protective swimwear for women, kids, and men. GenesisSurfShop.com, Genesis Surf Shop, surf fashions and accessories that include sandals, bikinis, shorts, and t-shirts. GlamoursUits.com, glamour suits, offering women's swimwear. GRUVwear.com, Groovywear, sells, manufactures and distributes UV and sun protective clothing and rash guards for babies, toddlers, children, and adults. Maruswim.com, Maru Swimwear, focus on leisure and sports swimmers and swim clubs. Mauiwear.com, Mauiwear, women's bikinis and rash guards in women's, men's, children's and teens sizes. Metroswimshop.com, Metro Swim Shop, a Speedo team dealer offering swimwear for men and women. MirasHguards.com, Rash Guard Company, sells a range of rash guard shirts for swimming, surfing and sun protection. Offers only rash guards made in the United States. NU-PARR.com, Par of Arizona, swimwear for men and women and accessories. OriginalWaterman.com, Original Waterman offers men and women's lifeguard swimsuits, board shorts, swimwear, shorts, uniforms, junior lifeguard bathing suits, tier swimsuits, and lifeguard equipment. OunceResort.com.au, Ounce Resort, offer a large selection of swimwear and sun protections kids wear. PANGO-PANGOSWIMWEAR.com, Pango swimwear, custom swimwear and bathing suits for men, women and girls. Peachbuns.com, Peachbuns Swimwear, offers custom swimwear from conservative classy to sexy bikini styles. RoddyCoolAustralia.com, Roddy Cool, offers sun protective clothing such as swimwear, hats, UV clothing, shirts, and accessories. RainbowHawaii.com/alprinboarsh.html, Aloha apparel, board shorts, and swimwear for men, women, teens and kids. RichieSwimwear.com, Richie Swimwear, designer brand for women, men, and little girls. SavageWear.com, Savage Wear, men's and women's swimwear made in the USA. SeaJewelsSwimwear.com.au, Sea Jewels Swimwear, swimwear for adults and kids, including maternity and plus sizes and chlorine-resistant fabrics. ShopAquasport.com, Aquasport, swimwear, swimsuits, and aquatic supplies. SimplyBeach.com, Simply Beach, designer bikinis and swimwear from brands like Sea Folly, Moontide and Speedo Beach. SkinsEwear.com, Skins, offers swimwear, bikinis, and streetwear. SolarTex.com, SolarTex, sun protective swimwear and hats. Flotation swimsuits and swim diapers. SPFstore.com, SPF Store, offers sun protective clothing such as shirts, sweatshirts, hats, sunglasses, and sunscreen products. Starblue.com, Starblue, sells beachwear and cruisewear for men, women and children. Starwearusa.com, Starwear, mix and match materials and prints to create a unique swimsuit. StephanieWho's.com, Stephanie Who's, gallery of men's and women's collections, online shop, scrapbooks, frequently asked questions and press clippings. SuitsYouSwimwear.com, Suits You, sexy handmade swimwear for men and women. Sunwavesports.com, Sunwavesports.com, men and women swimwear, competition and junior swimwear. Swimcapsbyfran.com, Swimcaps by Fran, offer a large selection of lycra swim caps. SWIMeasy.com, Swim Easy, sun protection and swim aid swimwear. Swimfashion.com, sandpipers, swimwear collections from all over the world. Swimart.com, SwimMart, sells swimwear for men and women including footwear. Swimmerswarehouse.com, Swimmerswarehouse.com, offers swimsuits and swim gear. SwimOutlet.com, SwimOutlet.com, retailer specializing in swim-related products. SwimSource.com, SwimSource.com, online retailer specializing in lifeguard uniforms, equipment, and supplies. SwimSuitsForAll.com, Swimsuits for All, offers plus sizes, women's, men's, kids, and accessories. SWIMWEAR123.com, Swimwear 123, provides a collection of 1- and 2-piece swimwear, junior and men's swimwear and body slimming swimsuit. Towelagator.com, Towelagator, a decorative clip that secures towels or sarongs to prevent them from falling off. Custom imprints are available. Tryanswim.co.uk, Tryanswim.co.uk, swimwear and beachwear direct from the manufacturers. Eugena.com, Eugena Online, featuring bikinis, one-piece bathing suits and accessories.